Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.014971 and $0.028278 by 2030. Market investigators accept SLP could reach $0.011644 by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002661. Smooth love elixir, SLP, presentation. With regards to play-to-procure games, Axie Vastness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play-to-acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago. Alongside the NFT blast, Axie Vastness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. DAO. Axie Vastness is an NFT-upheld play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment: smooth love mixtures, SLPs, and Axie limitlessness shards, axes. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Vastness's biological system. What's more, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Endlessness support the play-to-procure ongoing interaction model, wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Vastness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circle games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the boundary to section was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axes expected to play the game was galactic. In the meantime, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can undoubtedly lay out the assets expected to purchase axes, however, don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie grant, the director or society purchases or gives the 3 axes that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axes to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure and Axie boundlessness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefits. Factors influencing the cost of SLP. Axie Endlessness endured a top dog when Sky Mavis reported that their Ronin extension had been hacked, and about $625 million worth of Ethereum and USDC had been taken. The sum was subsequently amended as $541 million at the hour of the break, and is the second biggest crypto hack ever. For the unenlightened, the Ronin extension is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Vastness Commercial Center, and the Axis Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP income from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin extension, we were at that point involving incorporated trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP income moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly well-known technique. As a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that procedure right up to the present day. So Sky Mavis is in significant putting out fires mode and working twofold chance to recover and modify trust in their convention. This ongoing dilemma unquestionably didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, current cost. Smooth Love Mixture is at present worth $0.003327 United States dollars. SLP has moved 0.24% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $22,964,448. Smooth Love Mixture is as of now position 194 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $141,315,249 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD. From the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.00499. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.004658 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.003992. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.008317. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the SLP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.006654 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.007319. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.011644, and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.010646 and a low of $0.00998 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Smooth Love Elixir effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.014971 with a base cost of $0.013307 and a typical cost of $0.013973. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation,